Hello everyone, I'm Siga from Made-in-China.com.
This is Sophie.
Yes, and finally here comes the last day of the Canton Fair Phase 1. And today we'll continue to communicate with buyers who attend this year's Canton Fair.
Whether you are a professional purchasing manager or you are an owner of a small shop, you will find absolutely some helps for your development of business. So let's start quickly.
Yeah, let's start.
And to begin with, what's your name and where are you from?
I am from Georgia.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Ramil.
Okay, nice to meet you. And is it the first time you came to this year's Canton Fair?
No, about more than 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you found any differences in this year?
I think it's maybe a little bit better.
Oh, it's better?
Yeah.
Okay, so like in what aspects?
I think it's stand more stable.
More stable,
Yeah.
Yesterday the buyer told me he feels this year is more organized.
Yeah. More organized.
Yes, and what are the products you are looking for?
Home appliances, dishes, everything. We are warehouse sellers, so we sell everything.
Great.
And we also have our own brands. Our brand is Weimar, so we sell our brands. We work with Europe, with Turkey, with China. We sell any kinds of products. We search only high-level products with certificates. And I have searched here too many kinds of products who have got the license with certificates, and it's very comfortable to work with China because most of Chinese people are professional in the work. They doing this very well, the job.
Oh, great! Nice to hear that. And you're quite a giant in the industry. So, when you are looking for some suitable suppliers or products, what are the main factors you will consider as the most important?
We're checking, for example, for everything. We're starting for check from the low to high. We check everything, all details, because it is very necessary to check all details. If we will not check it, it will be very bad for us. But many time we are doing this business more than 27 years, so we know about many kinds of products, and our team is very professional, and we know too much of the suppliers who are also very professional.
Okay, so your business has really enjoyed a long history.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have mentioned that your market is Europe is one of your market.
Yeah, East Europe. This
Okay.
is East Europe.
So what will be the opinions like when Chinese suppliers want to export to that market? What do you want to say to the Chinese suppliers who want to do this?
First of all, look on the quality and on the price. I think that the quality should be like the same like the price. Then it will be very good. And search and work honestly. And honestly, it will bring very good things for them.
Okay, thank you to hear you that. And that's all for today's interview, and I hope you can enjoy the whole fair and wish everything goes well with you.
Hi, this is Siga from Made-in-China.com and welcome to our live stream. So next to me is our supplier from Zhejiang Liangye Group. So to begin with, please give a brief introduction about yourself and your company.
Thank you for coming. Yes, this is Korea. Our company is Liangye Group, and we are located in Ningbo. It's a very professional manufacturer for the power tools, more than 20 years. And we can now produce power tools, including handheld tools and garden tools both. Altogether will be more than 400 different SKUs.
Okay.
And our business started with tiny spring. The spring is very tiny, but our business was not. So now we can produce all these complete tools inside our own factories. We have 3 different factories right now, can produce different whole ranges of the tools to supply for the global customers.
Okay, I can tell you have been a long history experience in this industry, and I can see quite a big booth here.
Yes.
So for the Canton Fair, what's the products you have bring to this, and what are the advantages of them? You can give deep introductions.
Yes. Since we were started from 1999, so we have long history. This time we brought a whole range of the products, including garden tools and handheld tools, and we especially wish to show you more about the brushless ones. And here will be a lot of the screwdrivers, wrenches, and also high torque of the drills. They are all brushless, will be more consistent, better performance, and will be longer time to use as well. Much durable and safer than the brushed ones. Yes.
Okay, so maybe you can pick some specific ones and to say like introduce more details about it, like its advantages, its certifications, its functions compared to the competitors, etc. Yes.
Okay. So here, like this one, I like this one because you can see this wrench, impact wrench, is not that large. I can take, and it's even shorter than my hand. This size is very beautiful and it's compact and light, but the torque is very high. This one is 800 Newton meter. It's like can take most of the tasks you need. And because it's newly developed, so it's very nice looking as well for the appearance. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the main markets for this product?
Our main market usually the European countries, yeah.
Okay.
And now we are also cooperating with some Middle East countries and Asian countries as well. We are cooperating with more than 50 different countries all over the world.
Oh, yes. It's almost a worldwide.
Yes, thank you.
And what else?
And
more?
this one also. This is the very high torque drill, also brushless one, and this one will be 120 Newton meter. For a drill, it's quite powerful.
Okay.
Yeah, it's also impact drill, and you can see we have 3 different functions you can choose from.
Okay.
Yes, you can drilling, screwdriving, and we have the hammering function. And this one, we can have the side handle to be attached for 3 different positions.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want the left will be left, and top will top, and the right will be right.
Okay.
And also we have anti-kickback function to be safe. If your drill, like you lose control about the drill, it goes away, lift like that, that will stop by itself.
Yeah, it's quite important.
Very safe for our users.
Okay, so through the Canton Fair, like any most popular products during the Canton Fair?
For the popular, usually these popular products we have because they are brushless and mostly they are powerful. And actually because of the auto tools right now become more and more needed for the car repair. And in European countries, they need more lithium battery power tools to be replaced for like the gasoline one, to be more friendly for the environment.
Okay,
That's why lithium power tools will be more powerful and more popular worldwide.
Yeah, I gotcha. And I remember that you mentioned the products are export to European markets.
Yes.
So any must-have certifications or some qualifications the buyers may concern about when like import this kind of products?
Actually, for recent years, especially these 2-3 years, our customers will prefer something smaller, lighter, and more powerful. So it's like you need to have compact design and professional and nice looking and very powerful. This is what they want from us. That's why we have a stronger R&D team try to develop better products for our customers to meet their requirements.
Okay, gotcha. It's really great. And apart from the advantages, functions of products, what else can you like provide to the buyers? For example, delivery or after-sales services or some warranties, etc.
Actually, we have always 1 year warranty after delivery.
Okay.
Yes, and we have very great after sales as well because we have the whole team, QA, QC team for the quality control, and we have very large testing center who is cooperated with TUV, which means we are very professional and can make the certification faster. Yeah, like a ULCE, ROS, different certification we can make by ourselves, and because we are very responsible, and especially our boss. So
Yeah,
he is
yeah.
quite responsible. If any problems made, like we have technical support from engineers and also the support from sales ladies.
Yeah.
And even the emotional support we can offer as well if you need.
Yeah, I can
Yes.
feel that. I can feel that.
Yes.
Okay. So like through the several days in Canton Fair, or I can tell you're very experienced and enthusiastic, like importers in China. And what are the main factors the buyer are concerned about when like buying this kind of products?
As we mentioned before, they will care about the good looking, nice design, and good quality control. And since we have the engineer and the QA QC team, so we can have good quality control, and also the prices will for sure. Yes.
So do they have like a demand for sample order, this
Yeah,
kind
yeah,
of thing?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Usually we will provide samples, depend on different customers. Someone need like only one sample for
Okay.
each product.
Yeah.
Some will need 3 samples for each product. They will
Okay.
have different requirements for us. Yes.
Okay, I gotcha. So from your perspective, do you think is there any opportunities or challenges in this industry in future, I guess?
It's not in future, I will tell you. Like recent 2 years, it's
Okay.
very high competition.
Oh yeah.
Especially like among all Chinese companies, because more and more factories wish to enter this industry, and they start to produce this kind of products, power tools, and it's like a traffic jam. When you're driving, you see have so many cars on the road, it's difficult to move forward.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
like
yeah.
us as well, we have a lot of competitors around, and they were not before, and now they are.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
have more and more competitors. Someone even offer like a super low price. It will be like a mass in the market.
Yeah. So competition always exists, and
Yeah.
And from your telling, I believe that the after sales team, R&D team, and
Yes.
also our products can
Yes.
assure the quality for our buyers. I
Yes.
believe that.
Yes.
So okay, finally we came to the questions related to Made-in-China.com. Yes, I know the company Liangye Group has been quite long time with Made-in-China.com. So how did you know the Made-in-China.com for the first time?
Actually, if you ask this question, it's
Yeah.
difficult for us. We don't know like how we knew about Made-in-China.com, but you know that you are very famous in this industry, and
you.
our sales team is very professional. So we know that we need to find you, and we need your help as well for our business.
Okay, so that's the reason why you cooperate with us.
Yes.
Okay, so here comes the last, and thank you for our sales manager's time. And do you have anything else to say to our audience?
Because I thank you for being here with us as well, and we like Made in China very much because Made in China provide us a very nice bridge between the clients and our manufacturers, so we can be time saving and more efficient communication during online tools as well, and it's also secured. And Made in China has helped us to pre-select the purchasers for our manufacturers. So both ways, they can find reliable manufacturers from you, and also we can find reliable purchasers from you as well. As I mentioned before, we have already been cooperating with more than 50 different countries globalized. And you need to believe yourself, most of the contribution from your side. And also because we have strong R&D team and the QA QC team, we are very reliable and also quality controlled manufacturer. You can come visit us. We will always provide our best for you.
Yes, so again, thank you for your time, and
Thank you,
and
Isabel,
enjoy
for
your
having
day. Wish everything goes well here.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, firstly, what's your name and where are you come from?
Hello, my name is Sirvin and I come from Mexico City.
Oh, yeah. So you speak Spanish?
Yeah. Do you speak Spanish?
Just a little hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah, hola.
Mucho gusto.
Oh, yeah. And this is your first time come to the Canton Fair?
Yeah, this is my first time in the Canton Fair and in China.
Oh, okay. So how's your impression here?
It's very amazing. The technology, the people, everything. It's or another world.
Oh, yeah. And which product you are looking for? for this time?
For this time, I'm looking for bicycles, motorcycles, scooters, and vending machine.
Ah, okay. So did you find the suitable suppliers, the right ones?
Yeah, I have many suppliers, and I wait to make a business with us.
Yes. So you will resell product. You are wholesaler, or maybe you use it for the your factory.
No, I am a trading agent.
Oh, okay.
I am search for my customers, and before I want to import to Mexico these all products.
Okay. Okay. So in your case, which factor you will consider the most when you select suppliers?
I don't know. It's many. I see many suppliers, and I will check with my boss, and he take a decision.
Ah, okay. So you come here for select,
Yeah.
and collect,
Yeah.
and collect first,
Yeah.
and sum up.
Exactly. Collect first, and before take a decision to import the merchandise to Mexico.
So that's why you are much impressed by the huge.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And what do you think about the forecast between the business before China and Mexico? The
What?
business trend it would be better or it would be worse?
No, better.
Okay.
Better. Yeah. China is in another world.
So to begin with, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Walid. I'm from Yemen.
Okay, and is it the first time you came to this year's Canton Fair?
Yeah, it's my first time to come Canton Fair and China.
Okay, so how do you think about this year's Canton Fair?
Actually, it's great, very great. There's many opportunity here we can find, and it's what I say. I didn't see same that in all the world.
Oh yeah, so it's the top and the biggest
Yeah,
one.
top and the biggest.
Okay, so what are the products you are looking for in the Canton Fair?
Actually, I'm looking for some machinery.
Machinery?
Yeah, the machinery construction, and
Okay.
and with some tools and some electronic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have seen many agricultural and construction machines in other areas.
Yeah.
Yeah, and have you ever found any suitable suppliers or products in this fair?
Yeah, I find some suppliers and we contact with them, and they ask for me to come to his factory.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's great.
So, where are they based in? Just in Guangzhou or other cities?
Some in Guangzhou, some in other city. They said I don't know what the name of city, but around 2-3 hours from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say if you can say 3 keywords, what are the main factors you think the supplier is a good one?
3 keywords.
Yeah.
Better. Big.
You mean
Big.
big? You mean the big corporation?
Yeah,
group?
big corporation group,
Okay.
and nice
Okay.
people, and this is the future.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
this is future.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your opinion about the trade between China and Yemen? Any opinions when Chinese suppliers want to export to your markets?
Yeah.
And any opinions or suggestions to offer to them?
Actually, just be quickly in the answering people for Yemen, and the Yemen market is good now. So that's all, and the cooperation between China and Yemen is good nowadays.
Okay, okay. So yeah, and thanks for your time. Yeah, that's all for our interview.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Siga, and here we are now at the gate of hardware accessories. So let's after dive into this part and to see what is innovative and practical products for future. So let's go. Yeah, here you can see the smart lock systems. Security meets convenience. One of the biggest trends is smart electronic locks, featuring fingerprint recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, and even AI-powered facial recognition. These locks are perfect for modern homes and offices, offering keyless entry and remote access control via smartphones. Some models even integrate with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, making security effortless. And second one is high-performance fasteners, stronger and smarter. Next, we have aerospace-grade fasteners, designed for extreme durability in industries like automotive and aviation. This includes self-locking bolts, corrosion-resistant titanium screws, and vibration-proof nuts, essential for machinery that faces high stress. A standout example is chemical fasteners, which bond materials without welding, ideal for delicate repairs. So next one, let's see eco-friendly and ergonomic tools. Sustainability is key in today's hardware world. Companies now offer battery-powered, energy-efficient tools like brushless electric screwdrivers that last longer and reduce waste. Another highlight is recycled material wrenches and pliers, combining durability with environmental responsibility. And next one, let's dive into advanced pipe fittings for smart plumbing. In plumbing, quick connect pipe fittings are revolutionizing installations. This allows tool-free assembly, reducing labor time by up to 50%. Some even feature link detection sensors, setting alerts to your phone if there is any problem. So it's perfect for smart homes. And next one, you can see robotic and automated hardware solutions. You can see automation is taking over with AI-driven robotic arms for precision assembly and automated welding systems that improve factory efficiency. These are game changers for manufacturing, ensuring speed and accuracy. So why these innovations matter? From smarter security to greener tools, these advancements make work easier, safer, and more sustainable. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or an industrial professional, there's something here to transform your projects.
Yes, hello, madam. What's your name and where you come from?
I'm Michelle and I'm from Mexico.
Oh yeah. So hola.
Hola,
Yeah,
¿cómo estás?
Welcome to China. And is this your first time come to China?
Yeah,
Or
it's my
Canton?
first time. It's my first time and it's also my first time here in Canton Fair.
Yeah. How's your impression?
Well, I'm so excited because there are so many products that I can find with all the suppliers. There's so many.
Yeah. And which product you are looking for exactly?
Well, actually, I'm interested in all the kind of products because I have a business overseas.
Oh,
That
yeah.
is, so I buy products from China and send them to Mexico.
Oh yeah, that's for all kinds of products.
Yeah, all kind of products.
Just maybe trading product.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
why.
So, are you focused on any social media for the trading product? How you define the trading product?
Oh well, my name of the company is Ocean's Fair.
Yes.
So we mostly use the social media from Mexico, and the customer from Mexico they contact us and
Oh,
ask
yeah.
like what kind of products we can find from
Yeah.
China
for
for
the clients.
yeah, like to find cheapest products
Okay.
and great quality.
Yes. So, based on the you mentioned, which factor you will consider the most when you select products?
I think in the price and also the quality. Yeah,
To find the balance.
yeah, to find the balance to have my customer happy.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yes, I think that's all. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's all.
okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Nice to meet you.
Yes. Okay. So, is that your first time come to
Yeah,
China?
first time coming. No,
Oh,
I've been
come
to
to the-
China, first
yeah.
time to Canton.
Oh, okay. So, how's your impression here?
It's very nice. I love the fair, and I learned a lot. I've learned a lot about new businesses, new business ideas while I came here.
Yes.
I'm in, like my brother is into a business. I'm coming on his behalf. So to see new technologies here, new machineries, which we can import back in India and start the new businesses.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what is you think the new business here? Which product, for example?
For example, I was looking more into packaging and block building machines.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. It's all about the machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and consider to the purchasing of this product, which factor you will consider the most while sourcing?
We'll have to there are multiple different factories which are here. So once I go back, I have collected all the brochures and all the information. Once I go back, I'll sit with my brother, discuss everything, the pricing and all, and then we can finalize the
To
deals.
find the balance.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I think that, I think that's all for the questions.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Firstly, hello, sir. What's your name and where are you come from?
Hello, I'm Greg from Poland.
Oh, Poland.
Poland,
Yeah.
yes.
So you come from Europe.
Yes.
Yes. And is this the first time you come to the Canton
No,
Fair?
I visit every year. Every year.
Every year.
Every year. Yes.
Yes. Maybe for several times, many years.
Yes. Since at least 15 years, I'm almost every year.
15 years.
Yes.
Okay, you are a big buyer, I think.
I'm not sure if I'm a big buyer, but I like Chinese product. I like sourcing, and
Yes.
this is my job since many
Yes.
years.
And which product you are looking for example, for this year?
This year, tools and power tools.
Okay, and how long have you been in this industry?
For 10 years.
Okay, so you are a wholesaler? Or
You can say that we supply distributors who later sell out our products to final customers.
Okay, so as a professional buyer, so purchase manager maybe, which factor you will consider the most while sourcing?
The factory with the biggest experience, the best quality, and of course the best prices.
And how to find the balance?
How to find?
Maybe for the tours.
You need to travel a lot, not only meeting during the fair, but also visiting the factories, see how's the production, see what are the main clients. So it's job like anyone else.
So you will stay long, maybe after this trade show, to visit the factory directly.
Yes.
Yeah. And have you find some suitable suppliers for now?
Of course, every time I can find some new interesting supplier, and also this is a very nice possibility to get in touch with my current suppliers, because most of them here in this hall. So within one day, I can have many meetings with different factories, trading company. So this is also a big advantage of this fair.
Yeah, that's why you come every year.
Yes.
From 15 years.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. And how is your forecast, or what do you think the trade between your country and China in the future?
I think the trade between China and European Union is stable and should be stable. But it's really difficult to say for the long term because you know what's going on with the American market. I think those tariffs and this global trade war, which Trump started, I think it can have a bad influence for the global economy. So we will see what happens next.
Yeah, I think that's all for this brief interview. And thank
Okay, that's all for today's live stream. Today we have a tech tour in the area of hardware accessories. Also, we exchange some deep conversations, ideas with buyers in the Canton fair.
But the show never ends. If you are interested in any products showcased on this live stream, you can continue to shopping online on our platform Made-in-China.com. So happy sourcing online and see you next time.
See ya!